Good morning, student. Today we are going to start a new topic from the same chapter, gender, religion and caste. In the previous topic, student, we had studied that how the gender difference is prevail in our society and how the politics affect to the flourish the gender division and to protect the gender discrimination which is made in our society. Today we are going to start a very new topic, that is religion discrimination, religious division which is made in the society. We will also touch communalism and secular state. These are the three topics which we are going to cover. And as we had seen seen on the top, gender, religion and caste. So today's topic is religion. But a religious difference, it is not a universal difference like the gender. Gender division is universal in the society, but a religious division is not universal like gender. But we can't separate it from the society also. In the example which we studied in the book about the Netherlands, we have seen that how the gender discrimination, religious discrimination was made in Netherlands, and because of that different types of violence were occurred in that country. So religious difference is also a part of our society. Can we separate it from the society? It is not been happen. For that, Mahatma Gandhi has told that we can't separate gender from the society, we can't separate the religious difference from the society. Means gender, religion and the politics should go hand in hand. For that, Mahatma Gandhi told that the ideals and the values of the religion should be implemented in the politics to make a good politics. The ideals and the ideals and the values of the religion should be implemented in the political party, so that it should change the bad politics and make a good politics. Instead of that, Human Rights Organization of India had also give a report, and by that report Human Rights had told that in India, when the violence occurred, that is the communal violence, in communal violence, according to Human Rights Organization, they told that in any type of communal events or the communal rights, the group of people who were the sufferer were the minorities of a particular religion. That's why this report has warned the government and made the government understand and ask the government to do something betterment for the minorities in the country. So what we studied, HRD, Human Rights Organization also told that by the communal events, communal violence, the more sufferer were the minorities. And thirdly, when we go through it, then we find out that it is that all the women of different religion, they have a complaint that the rights or the rights which are made in their religion discriminate the women only. If we go through any religion, then we find out that the rights which is made in their religion, the duties which are made in the religion, these rights and duties they mainly discriminate. The laws which are made in the religions discriminate the women mainly. Because of that, they ask for the family law. Family law means government should take action to make the women come out from all this discrimination which is made in the society by the religion. So the three things which we studied: First is that Mahatma Gandhi told that we can't discriminate political parties from the politics from the religion. The second is that our human rights organization has also given the information to the government that when any type of communal violence happen in your society, the main sufferer is the minorities. And thirdly, it talk about the family law. In the family law, it is told that the laws which are made in the religions are especially especially discriminate the women. So in the family law, it is made the voice was raised by the women, so that equal rights to be given to the women in the religion. So when we talk about the ideals and the values of the of the religion, when we implement these ideals and the values in the politics, then what we see, every religion have same idea, same ideals, and the same idea and the values. The ideals of any religions are giving the lesson to the people, and these lessons were truth and non-violence. When we implement all these things in the political party, in the politics, then our politics should be better and better. But it is not happening every time. It is not happening any time. We often see that certain peoples, they develop in the society, in their religion, and they started to think that their religion is more better than the other religion. When these type of things came in the political parties, then that is known as the communal politics. Then it is known as the communal politics. In the communal politics, we often believe that it is based on the idea that the religion is the base of the society, and no other religion will come and join the political parties. Means the people of different religions should not live in the society equally. When this type of belief came in the mind of people, that is known as the communal politics. When the communal politics came, it created a type of superiority. It created a type of superiority on the other religion, and this superiority always may make a negative impact on the society. That is known as the communal politics. So it is a very important question that what is the communal politics? Communal politics, when a particular people of religion believe that their religion is more superior than other religion, this type of thinking is known as the communal thinking, and this is very harmful for the society. Now we study beta what is the belief of the communal people. What is the belief of the communal people or the communal politics? When the communal politics came in the society, then what is the belief? The belief is there are three or four types of beliefs are made in the books. Is that the first is a particular religion must belong to one community. Particular religious people must belong to the one community. Of the one community, based on the community with the same fundamental interest. Means people who are living in the community must belong from the same religion, and their fundamental basic interest must be same. This is the belief of a communal people or the communal thinking people. The second belief is that the people follow of the same religion. Of the same religion, they also believe that different religions can't belong to the same community. Means different people of different religions can't live together in the same community. And third is, if the follower of the different religions have some communalities, these are the superstitious and the immoral. हो सकता है ये, ठीक है. Their interests are bound to be different and involved with the conflict. Means if different people of different religions live in a same community, then it should be immoral and it will involve the conflict in the society. अगर अलग अलग धर्म के लोग एक ही समाज में रहते हैं तो उनसे समाज में कन्फ्लिक्ट हो सकता है. दैट इज द बिलीफ ऑफ द कम्युनल पीपल. एंड थर्ड, व्हाट दे बिलीव इन इट्स कंटेस्ट from the communalism led to the belief that people belong to different religions can't live as equal citizens in the same country. Can't live in the same nation. Means people belong to a different religion can't live in the same country. If they live in the same country, then it will create the violence or the conflict and even the partition. The ugly face of the communal politics is that कि sometimes the आपका rights happen in the society, sometimes violence happen in the society, and lastly it make the partition of the country, means partition on the basis of religion. So what we studied बेटा कि the people communal politics क्या हुआ, इट इज़ बिलीव कि हर धर्म के लोग एक साथ नहीं रह सकते, और दूसरी बात यह है कि माई रिलीजन इज सुपीरियर देन योर रिलीजन. इट इज़ व्हेन दिस टाइप ऑफ बिलीव केम इन माई माइंड, देन इट बिलीव इट सो दैट कि आई एम इन्फेक्टेड बाय द कम्युनलिज्म. द सेकेंड इज दैट व्हाट इज द बिलीफ ऑफ द कम्युनल पीपल. फर्स्ट दे बिलीव दैट कि पीपल कांट लिव टुगेदर. If they will live together, then it will create the violence, and the people of different communal people can't live in the same country. If they will live in the same country, it will create आपका conflict, tension, as well as even the partition of the country should be happen. It is the belief of communal people. India, but when we talk about India, beta, so India is not a communal country. Like the other countries, like Sri Lanka had adopted आपका Buddhism, Pakistan had adopted Islam, है ना. Different countries they adopted their particular religion. But when we talk about India, so India is not belong from a particular religious community. To do so, Indian Constitution implement the policy of secular state. Secular. What is secular state? We are going to discuss it, but we should understand that कि India is not like Sri Lanka and Pakistan natural. In the nature of India is not like Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Here we are seeing that the people of different religions are living together and they are flourish, they are developing, है ना. But before going to the secular state, secular politics, we must study that कि what is how the communalism affect the पॉलिटिक्स. दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि दैट जब आपका एक कम्युनलिज्म धर्म, जब आपका एक कम्युनलिज्म थिंकिंग आती है समाज में, तो इससे आपके समाज की जो पॉलिटिक्स है उस पर किस प्रकार से अफेक्ट पड़ता है. कम्युनलिज्म को हम बोल सकते हैं कट्टर विचारधारा, कट्टरपंथी विचारधारा, कम्युनल, सांप्रदायिकता. यस, सांप्रदायिकता इज़ अ गुड वर्ड फॉर द कम्युनलिज्म. जब सांप्रदायिकता आती है तो वो राजनीति पर किस प्रकार से अफेक्ट डालती है. तो पहला है कि दे स्टार्टेड टू यूनाइट द पीपल ऑफ सेम रिलीजन, है ना. दे ट्राई टू यूनाइट द पीपल ऑफ सेम रिलीजन एंड फीलिंग ऑफ द सुपीरियरिटी हैज़ बीन डेवलप, है ना. ये एक पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन के लोग ही हमें वोट देंगे जिससे कि जो है आपका डेवलपमेंट होगा. दूसरी बात ये होती है कि आपका फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स बनती है, कम्युनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज बनाते हैं. मीन्स व्हेन दे मेक द कम्युनल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, दैट मीन्स द पीपल ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर रीजन गिव वोट टू देम एंड दे विल कम इन द पावर. द मेन इंटेंशन ऑफ द कम्युनल पार्टीज इज दैट दे शुड कम इन द पावर सो दैट दे कैन गेट द पावर एंड डू व्हाट एवर दे लाइक, है ना. दे ट्राई टू मेक द पॉलिटिकल डोमिनेशन. They try to make the political domination. Political domination means when the government is of that political party, of that communal party, then they can reform the laws, they can implement the laws what they like. So always they try to get the power. Next, they mobilize the communal people. Na, they mobilize the people. They mobilize that people means they always believe. They always try to give the information to the people that ki your benefit should be done by me. If you give vote to that people who belong from different religion, they can't do any type of benefit to you. They will destroy you. So they try to make the people mobilize. लामबंदी, लोगों को लामबंदी करते हैं, लोगों को mobilize करते हैं. And they often use the religious symbol. They use the religious symbol to unite the people of that particular religion. दे मेक द पीपल, दे ब्लैकमेल द पीपल इमोशनली, है ना। इमोशनली का मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर आपको यहाँ पे रहना है तो फिर आप हमें अपने रिलीजन को बढ़ाओ, if you can't do so then your religion should be destroyed. Now that is known as the they make the emotional appeal from the people to come and join the communal parties so that their development should be made, and they take they try to generate a fear in the mind of people. They try to generate the fear against other religious party and other religion or the other political parties. If we talk about the political parties, then they try to generate the fear that if you go, this party will come, this party will destroy your religion. If that party will come, that will, if our party will come, our party will increase your demand, है ना, will strengthen your position in the society. These type of fears are being made by the political parties, that is known as the communal political parties. We can't say that every party, but the communal political parties, they try to make this type of fear, they generate this type of fear in the mind of the people. And lastly, we can say that these communal parties, they try to create the communal violence in the society, communal violence, to generate a type of hatred and to get the profit, है ना, to create a type of hatred and generate and get the profit. For that they try to generate the communal violence in the society. And lastly आपका disintegration, है ना, disintegration, बंटवारा, है ना. Disintegration means my ideas, my values are different from your ideas and your values. So you is you and I is I. The ideas are not same. So what we see that this communal politics, they sometimes try to try to bifurcate the countries, bifurcate the societies, bifurcate the people, है ना, to for their आपका profit. So what we studied at first, we studied that what is communalism. Secondly, we studied that what is the belief of the communal people. And thirdly, we study that how this communalism affect the politics, है ना. Affecting the politics means they try to get the power to implement their ideas. So this is about the communalism. As we had we had make a short discussion about that. Our country is not a communal country. Our country is in our country there is no any particular religion. Our country never favor any particular religion. For that, to reduce the idea of communalism, we have an antibiotic, that is the secular state. Our country is a secular state. That means our country never believe the idea of a particular religion for the development of particular religion, but our country believe that the development of each and every religion should be important. Each and every people is needed for the development of the country. So what is the idea of secular state? Here at first we will study that the first is that no आपका particular religion, no official religion, we can say, na. When we talk about the secular state, the first is no official religion. The different countries, other countries, they had adopted their official religion. Like in Sri Lanka, we study that Buddhism is the official religion. In Pakistan, Islam is the official religion. When a religion is declared as an official religion, then what's happened? Government always make law, always make such type of rules and regulation which develop those particular religions only, है ना. वही कानून बनाएगी सरकार जिससे कि एक धर्म विशेष का ही विकास हो सके. And they neglect, they bifurcate, they marginalize other religion. So this type of thinking is the communal thinking. And in India, we are very lucky that our country is a secular state, a secular country, and it's so that there is no official religion. Can you say that in India there is an official religion? If there should be an official religion, then government will make law for development of any particular religion, but it is not happening in our country. Secondly, constitutional freedom to this is also very important. Our country is a secular country, that's why in our country every religion get proper chance for flourish, for development, for practice, and for the flourish, for the practice and preach of the religion they want. I mean, communal freedom to profess. Here in our country we can profess any religion. Secondly, we what happen, we can practice whatever religion we want practice. There is no any foundation that we can't practice our religion in any we can practice our religion in any place where we want. Secondly, आपका propagate means for if I want to develop my religion, for that we can make the propaganda, make the appeal to the people, so that people will understand their religion. For that our constitution had given a flexibility to each and every religion, that they can profess, practice and propagate their religion. I mean, there is no any hard and fast rule that you can't do anything, you can't practice any religion. We can practice any religion in our country. Next is आपका but one thing is there कि very important thing is that कि as we studied further, earlier, that there is a family law. Family law means we saw that कि in every religion women are being dominated, they are being discriminated, है ना. So to reduce this type of thinking, to reduce this type of bad thinking from the religion, government has give power, our constitution has given power to the state government, that कि state government can make any law to which give any law to bifurcate, to cut down those ill laws which are being practiced in the society in by any religion. आपके समाज में किसी भी एक धर्म में अगर कोई एक आपके इल लॉज हैं, कोई ख़राब लॉज हैं जिसके कारण समाज में महिलाओं को दिक्कतें हो रही हैं, किसी केवल महिलाओं की नहीं बल्कि किसी भी कम्युनिटी को कोई दिक्कत हो रही है, तो इस लॉज को भी हटाया जा सकता है उस रिलीजन से. इट इज़ दैट इज़ द पावर गिवन टू द स्टेट. फॉर एग्जांपल अनटचेबिलिटी, it is a very आपका बैड लॉ विच वॉज मेड इन अवर सोसाइटी, प्रैक्टिस इन अवर सोसाइटी. हिंदुज़म में ये प्रैक्टिस किया जाता था, अछूत ना आपका अनटचेबिलिटीज़. तो आपके गवर्नमेंट ने अनटचेबिलिटीज़ को बैन कर दिया, because untouchability was not a it was a good it was a very good practice which was made in the society. No. So तो क्या हुआ, क्या हमने देखा कि इफ़ इन आवर रिलीजन देयर इज़ एनी बैड प्रैक्टिसेस आर बीन डन, देन इट इज़ द पावर ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, दैट गवर्नमेंट कैन रिड्यूस ऑल दोज बैड प्रैक्टिसेस टू मेक द सोसाइटी टू गिव इक्वल राइट टू ऑल द पीपल. आपका रिलीजन है, लेकिन आप अपने रिलीजन में ऐसा लोगों अपने धर्म के अंदर लोगों को डिस्क्रिमिनेट नहीं कर सकते हो. अगर करते हो डिस्क्रिमिनेट इन दैट टाइम गवर्नमेंट विल मेक लॉ एंड ट्राई टू रिड्यूस दोज थिंग्स, है ना. तो व्हाट वी स्टडी दैट कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कैन मेक लॉ टू आपका बाइफरकेट और टू रिड्यूस, है ना, रिड्यूस द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मेड इन द रिलीजन, टू रिड्यूस द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, है ना, भेदभाव. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन मेड इन एनी रिलीजन, है ना. किसी भी धर्म में अगर कोई भी भेदभाव हो रहा है तो इस भेदभाव को हटाने का काम आपका स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को है ना. और लास्टली अगर हम बात करते हैं कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कांट इंटरवेन द रिलीजियस मैटर, सरकार जो है कभी भी रिलीजियस मैटर पे इंटरवेन नहीं करेगी. हस्तक्षेप, इंटरवेन इन रिलीजियस मैटर, तो इट इज़ आल्सो द पार्ट ऑफ द सेकुलर स्टेट दैट कि गवर्नमेंट विल नेवर इंटरफेयर। आपका धर्म है, आप अपने धर्म में कुछ भी करिए, बट गवर्नमेंट विल नेवर इंटरवेन इन दोज मैटर। सरकार का ये काम है कि उसमें इंटरफेयर नहीं करेगी। लेकिन अगर आपके धर्म से किसी दूसरे धर्म को कोई नुकसान पहुंच रहा है, और इन दिस केस व्हेन यू विल गो टू द कोर्ट, देन कोर्ट हैव पावर टू इंटरफेयर so that every people will live in the society peacefully, and if court is not able to do so, they will give advice to the government to take any particular step, और in that step in this process गवर्नमेंट जो है धर्म गुरुओं को मिलाकर बैठाकर जो है उसको डेमोक्रेटिक वे से रिड्यूस करने का काम करती है। ठीक है, तो दिस इज़ अबाउट द सेकुलर स्टेट। द आइडिया ऑफ सेकुलर स्टेट इज़ गिवन इन द सोसाइटी that is introduced in our constitution to make it clear that in India after independence all religions should be lived peacefully and harmony, and with you can say a word is given in our constitution, that is आपका India is a secular socialist democratic republic country as well as fraternity, है ना, भाईचारा। तो the main intention of the secular state is to make the people to live harmonious and peaceful life। भाईचारा को बढ़ाने का काम ये करती है। तो सबसे पहले बेटा इन दिस टॉपिक वी स्टडीड दैट कि रिलीजन क्या होता है ना। इट इज़ अ बिलीव, इट इज़ नॉट अ यूनिवर्सल। आप मत मानिए कि यूनिवर्सल है। एक चीज़ और भी आप जानो, जो ऐसा सोसाइटी जहाँ पे कोई भी धर्म नहीं है, आज अब तो ऐसा कुछ है ही नहीं कि जहाँ पे कोई धर्म ना हो। बिकॉज ऑफ माइग्रेशन वी आर थिंक दैट इन एवरी कंट्री पीपल सोसाइटी इज देयर सोसाइटी इज बीन मिक्सड विथ अदर रिलीजन। तो it is not universal as religion, it is not universal as gender, but it is found in every country. सेकेंडली हमने बात किया कि महात्मा गांधी का क्या विचारधारा था इसमें। महात्मा गांधी का कहना है कि पॉलिटिक्स और रिलीजन को हम सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते हैं। उसका उनका ये कहना था इस मामले में कि किसी भी धर्म के आइडियल्स एंड द वैल्यूज़ को हम पॉलिटिक्स में उतारें, है ना, जिससे कि हमारा पॉलिटिक्स और भी बेटर हो। एंड इसके बाद हमने बात किया कि कभी कभी हर व्यक्ति इस बात को नहीं मानता, हर व्यक्ति इस चीज़ को नहीं मानता, ये सोचता है कि उसका धर्म ज़्यादा बेटर है इन कंपेयर टू अदर रिलीजन। इस टाइप की विचारधारा को हम लोग बोलते हैं कम्युनल आइडियाज़। कम्युनल आइडियाज़ को मानने वाले लोगों की क्या सोच है, हमने पढ़ा कि अलग अलग देश कम्युनिटीज़ के लोग एक साथ में रिलीजन के लोग एक कम्युनिटी में नहीं रह सकते। फंडामेंटल इंटरेस्ट उनका बराबर होता है। अगर वो रहते हैं साथ में तो इससे आपका कन्फ्लिक्ट हो सकता है और पार्टीशन भी हो सकता है। दैट इज़ द बिलीफ ऑफ द कम्युनल पीपल। लेकिन एक चीज़ आपको जानना पड़ेगा कि कम्युनलिज्म में हर व्यक्ति का मानना ये नहीं होता है। कुछ लोगों के ऊपर ये चीज़ फोर्सफुली डाली जाती है कि आप इस धर्म में हो तो आप मेरे कम्युनिटीज़ में हो तो आप इस चीज़ को मानो। ये ज़बरदस्ती थोपने का काम भी कभी कभी किया जाता है बाय द कम्युनल पॉलिटिक्स। और लास्टली हमने बात किया कि आपका देश जो है इस प्रकार की जो कम्युनल विचारधारा है, इस विचारधारा को ख़त्म करने के लिए आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज़ इम्प्लीमेंटेड द आइडियाज़ ऑफ सेकुलर स्टेट। एंड व्हाट इज़ सेकुलर स्टेट वी स्टडीड, एंड व्हाट द सेकुलर स्टेट वांट टू मेक इंडिया, है ना, इसके बारे में हमने डिस्कस किया। और ये एक तरीके से ऐसी विचारधारा है जिसके कारण जो है आप कंट्री जो है हर धर्म यहाँ पे बराबर रूप से रहता है। एंड एवरी पीपल्स एंड एवरी रिलीजियस ग्रुप दे आर लिविंग इक्वली एंड इक्वली एंड played a harmonious life. Okay beta, so after this we will study in the caste in our next lecture. And the important question from this topic is what is secular state? How can you say that India is a secular state? The first question will come arise, and these questions will always often came in the examination, that how the communalism affect the politics. Now maybe the question of 3 mark will come in your examination from this particular topic, that is religion, and the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. We can't separate it. We must know what is the idea of Mahatma Gandhi. His idea will come in आपका 1 marks also, or will come for illustration of 3 marks. So in the next lecture I will come with the next topic, that is caste and caste in politics. Okay, so goodbye.